Okay, so kinsa nakakuha? Ang akong co-host. Okay, this time, toasting of garter. So may I request all single men? Oh, ayaw kay dili ako yung nakakuha sa bukid. Okay, sa pa'y single men diha. It's your time to shine. Wa para ba nakakuha sa bouquet, magmahay mo. Okay, sir, please give the garter. Okay, so tuyok. Sound system, please. Okay, Juloir.
So we have another winner.
Okay, so ang nakakuha sa bouquet, uyab gatanaw. Careful. Higher. Abot sa leg. Sige pa. Okay, that's enough. Then, do also the slicing of cake and toasting of wine. Slicing of cake and toasting of wine. Okay, hand please. Then, toasting of wine.
When your legs don't work like they used to before.
Okay. Okay na.
And I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of
thank
your
you.
love?
Wala sa ko na kiss, kanay uyab.
Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud. Maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all but gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name. When my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. And maybe all part of a plan.
About 33 years ago, my
I'll
family
just
started.
keep on making
My
the
oldest son is married. I have two
same
grandchildren by him and his wife.
mistakes,
It is hard to
hoping
believe
that
my baby
you'll
is now married. He has turned out to be a fine young man, and I'm very
Baby,
proud.
now
He has chosen Floor, a beautiful young lady.
take
She
me
is very
into your
considerate
loving
and kind,
arms.
and she's a perfect mate for Andrew. I couldn't have done a better job.
Kiss me under
finding
the
him
light of
perfect
a
wife. I
thousand
tried.
stars.
My job of being a father,
Place your head on my beating
God
heart.
blessed me with two fine sons, of whom
Thinking
I am
out loud,
With the
maybe
addition of
we
four to my family,
found love.
God has blessed
right
me with my second
where
daughter.
we
Welcome to my family, Floor. I love you
are.
very much already. And if it is in God's plan, more grandchildren.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
And now, Mr. Bienvenido Alipan Bride's daddy.
Baby, now
May hapon, salamat po po.
take me into your loving arms.
Pinabina sa akong
Kiss me under the light of a thousand stars. Oh, darling,
pinabina sa
place
akong
your head
kabubuhan
on my beating heart.
na di ko
Thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. Oh, maybe we found love right where we are.
Thank you
We
for
Okay,
found
thank you,
love
sir.
right
Sumali pa yun sa kami niyon. Okay. Next is, may I call on one of the friends ni Floor. Kani siya, BFF ni siya bisag sa crimes ko, no? BFF gihapon. From college until now. So may I call Miss Jaya Makiputin.
the lovely maid of honor.
English ko, no? Ka naman, nosebleed jud me.
Okay, in behalf sa atong barkada, congratulations to the newlywed Mr. and Mrs. Howard. And to my best friend, Flor, I know that it is your dream to marry the man of your dreams. And finally, this is it. And I'm so happy for you. And, and to Andrew, please take good care of my best friend, Flor, and love her as much as you can. And best wishes, I wish you will live happily ever after. That's it. Bye forever.
May forever ba? Ako, di ko mutuwa. Charot. Peter.
Hashtag.
Okay, so, this time, kani siya, wala ni siya na-appeal sa script, but, ganahan ko musulti siya, because, ano po ni, friend po ni Floor. So, may I request, Fatima, to please say something. Sige na, Fatima, alik na.
You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I've tried to find. Your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my peace of mind. In this
Andrew,
crazy world,
Ay, to the newlywed.
you're everything I've tried to find.
Just best wishes.
Okay, so, short but precise. Sa ilang mga naagian before sila nagpakasal. So, let's hear from them. So, let's start with the bride.
In this crazy world, you're everything I've tried to
To all of the guests who are with us here,
thank you so much. And I know this is really stressful. And also to my daddy. My daddy. Thank you so much, Mr. George Howard. And soon to be my mommy. Thank you. Joke. And sa akong papa, asa naman ron? Salamat kayo sa imong suporta. And sa tanan, salamat.
Please. Ang host po. Sige, ang groom.
I just want to thank everyone for all the support and everything. It's been a long time preparing for this wedding, and it's been stressful, but it's worth it, and it made our dream wedding come true. So thank you, everyone.
Please. Now it's my co-host's turn.
Ganong ako. Okay, sige. Time's up. Pressure ko da. Okay, so I know Flor since we're in college, then si Flor murag hilumon gyud na siya pag college mi hilumon kanang wala ko ga-expect nga magminyo siya nga early sa iyang mabarkada kahilumon man si Flor, then murag boyish ba, so but naa naman minyo naman, so prove to us nga naay forever. Especially to me. Okay, so congratulations and best wishes. So this time, may I request the couple to please pick the smallest and the biggest gift.
The strands in your eyes that color them wonderful stop me and steal my breath. Emeralds from mountains and thrusts towards the sky, never revealing their depth. Tell me that we belong together. Dress it up with the trappings of love. I'll be captivated. I'll have